Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 7 video of learning Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced level. In this video, we will discuss in detail with the help of examples the format as table tools and the onwards available in the home tab in the Microsoft Excel's main window. In the previous video, we have discussed these tools, and now we will be discussing with the help of examples these remaining tools. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. In the format as table tools, there is drop down buttons in which there are a lot of tables, and also you can use a new table style, or you can new pivot table styles you can also use or apply. Let's suppose we write some data and want to make it as table. Let's suppose 2 4 8 9 0 and 1, and now in the second row this is 1 2 4 1 and here is 7 and here is 8, and in the third row let's suppose 2 4 7 8 9 0 4, and in the fourth row we write some data like this, and in the fifth row we also write some data. So now this is our data and we want to show it in table, so we will first select, and so if we want to make the data to be in the centers, so now it is in the centers of the cells, and now we want to make it as in the table format, so we will go to the format as table, and in the drop down buttons you can select any format. So let's suppose we want to select this format, and we'll click on OK. Now you can see this is the column 1, this is the column 2, this is the column 3, this is column 4 5 6. So there are total of 6 columns, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is the same, and 6 rows. So if you want to change the, now this is a table, it can working as a table in the table format. If you want to change the format of the table, so you will select and will go to the designs. So now from here you can change the format of your table, and now this has been changed to this color, or you can also change to another as per your requirements and interest. So this is what the power of the Excel to make a data in the tabulated form. So you can convert any data available in the Excel to table formattings, and you can then design the format the tables and can work on the data like in the tabulated form. So this was what that how you can format as table the data in the Excel sheet. So now here this is the different styles. If you want to select, if you select and want to change the style, so you can see the style is been changing. Like now this is the another style color, and there are a lot of style colors you can change. You will select and then we'll go to the different. From here you can change the styles of your text, as you can see. So these are the different styles, and if you want, this is a cell and you want to change the style for the cell, this is the different formats for each and every cells. You can apply the different style. So this is what about the styles on available in the home tabs as the tools. So now we want to proceed to the different tools, other tools. Now here, let's suppose this is the row number 16 and this is row number 18. If we want to write something here, 4, and just below in this cell, we want to write the 6 and then we write to 8. And now if we want to add another row here in between the 6 and 8 and to name as 7, so we will select this 6 and we'll go to here. This is the tools available in order to play with the cells. So the first one is the insert, the second one is delete, and the third one is the format. But in the first one you can insert a cell in either in the column wise or in the row wise. So if we want to add a row here below 6, so we will select this cell and we'll go to the insert, and now we want to insert a full uh, row. So we will select on the insert sheet row and we'll click OK. So we want to add a row above this 8 and below the 6. So we will select the 8 cell and we'll go to the insert and we'll click on the insert sheet. Now you can see here a row has been added and the names has been automatically changed from the 18. Now this is the 19 and this is 20, and here now we can write the 7th, which is the 6, 7 and 8. Now we want to insert another row and name the cell as 5, which is between 4 and 6. So we will select the 6th on this cell and we'll go to the insert and we'll click on the insert sheet row. Now you can see a row has been added and we will write the 5. Now you can see this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And anywhere in your Excel sheet, if you want to add a row or columns, you can add at any time at any location. So now we want to add a columns. Let's suppose this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 6. Now we want to add a columns here with the 2, so we will select this cell, so and we'll apply to add the insert columns. Now you can see a column has been added, and if we want to add a columns to write the word the number 3, which is 2 and 4, and we want to add another columns in between this 2 and 4 and to write the number 3, so we will select this cell and we'll go to the insert, and in the insert we will select on the insert column, sheet column. Now you can see a column has been added and this has been now named as automatically changed to H, and this is G, and we can now write here is 3. So now this is 2, 3, 4, and here if we want to add another columns and to make the place for the 5, which is not here. Now this is 4 and 6, so we will select this cell and we'll click on the insert, and in the insert we will click on the insert sheet column. Now you can see a column has been added, and we will write here now is the pipe. Now you can see this column has been added and this column has been added. Through this you can add any columns or row or either a cell. So if you want to add a cell here, you will insert a cell. So now a cell has been added here in port 6 and 7, and we can name it as 6A. So you can add any cell at any location in your sheet, or either you can add a row at any location in your Excel sheet, or you can also add any column at any location in your Excel sheet. So now we have to discuss about the format. So you can format your cells. In the format, the first one is the row height, the auto row height, auto fit means, and here you can increase or decrease the size of the columns. When you select this, so you can increase or decrease the size of the columns from here also, and also you can increase the size of the row from here also. You can increase or decrease. And so these are the different tools. You can rename the sheets: column width, auto width, column width, depart width. This is the visibility. The visibility you can hide or unhide the row, columns, or sheets, even a sheet, and unhide row, columns, or even a sheet. And the next one is the organize your sheets by renaming sheet, move or copy sheets, tab color. So from here you can change the color of the tab. And the next one is the protection. You can protect your sheet by applying some specific passwords. Lock cell. From here you can lock a cell, and from here you can format the cell. So these are the different tools available and associated with the format of the rows, columns, cells. Basically the cells. Cell may be a cell has a specific column and has a specific row. Now if you have any questions, you can ask about this cells, styles, format is table. You can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. And in the next video we will discuss these tools in detail with the help of examples. So if you have any questions till now, you can ask. And also if you have any questions in the Excel related to any type of data analysis formattings, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.